purchased a generator a couple years ago when we had Sandy, and this is Champion Global Power Equipment. It's still fairly new out of the box. I'm gonna have my assistant tell us how to use this. So from start to finish, just let us know.
It must have gasoline.
How many quarts of gasoline?
How many gallons? I think
Gallons.
it takes about, what is it? 3 gallons?
Hold on, let me come around to this side.
They didn't tell me how much. It takes about three or 4 gallons.
Oh, look at the specs. Look, that's the model number, the frequency. What does the frequency mean?
60 cycle. That's what our machinery running over here.
What about single? What does that
Single
mean?
phase, 115 volts.
Okay, so 1200 watts. So how long would this generator last if we had another power outage?
This, on a tank of gas, I think it can run for 8 hours.
Okay, so what is all of this right here in the front?
Okay, that's the plug. 115 plug.
Mm-hmm.
This is the circuit breaker.
Okay, what does that do?
What? To cut off all your power. Suppose
Okay.
you have a short circuit, the circuit breaker will trip.
Okay.
Then you'll have to reset it.
And what does all of that 10W30 mean?
Okay, that's the oil that's supposed to have. 10W30 oil.
Okay.
But
And then what is that? Is this just to power it on?
yeah,
The on?
peak watts is 1500.
That's the on and off button?
Yeah, that's the on and off.
Oh, okay. What does 1500, 1200 mean?
The peak watts at peak is 1500, but running watts is 1200.
Okay. So granted, this machine wasn't started since, I guess I purchased this in 2011, right?
Yeah.
Or something like that. Okay.
So
All right. So when we go to the front, what is all of this stuff?
that's the pull start.
Okay.
This is to allow the gasoline to go to the carburetor.
This is the carburetor?
Yeah.
All right. So is that on now?
Yeah.
We could turn it on?
Yeah, and the choke has to be
What's a choke mean?
something to do with the carburetor. The choke has to be on.
So should we try it to see if it'll turn on?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. What did you just
You
do?
turn on the switch.
You turn the on switch
Yeah,
on
the
first?
switch, your engine switch.
Okay. And then what?
Then we have the choke on. We have this on so the gasoline can flow to the carburetor.
All right. So
Now we're just ready
is
to
it going to
start.
be loud when it starts?
No.
Okay.
Then, once it starts,
Wow.
137 volts, it will drop down.
What is it supposed to drop down to?
Let's see, select.
What does all of that mean?
We select 131 volts. Right? This is voltage. This is cycle. It's the cycle.
Okay.
We are plugging in a light in the 150 receptacle. And they're going to turn on the light.
Let there be light, and there was light. The generator works.
To turn it on, you just switch the engine button. And we shut the gas off. And we turn the choke. Leave the choke where it is.
Okay.
See, once this is to start, we put the choke over to the right. For running, we put the back choke in the normal position.
Okay.
But the gasoline has to be on.
All right, so let me try. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to start it myself. So basically, we have to turn the engine on like that. And then when I come around here, I want to make sure the choke is off. Make sure the choke is on. Then I'll turn the fuel on, and then I should be pulling this lever. Ooh! Yay! I started it! Do I turn this off too? Leave it? And that's it. Yes! So, now to safely turn it off, I want to turn the fuel off.
Yeah.
And then put the choke back on.
No, leave the choke on. Leave the choke on. Yeah.
Cool thing, guys, this is where you can check the oil, but it's hot right now because we were running it for a little bit. So it's almost like a mini car. You have your oil, and then you take that off. Easily just unscrew it to measure, and you know, we just saw the top where it said to oh, look at the oil stick. Does it look like it's full? So then we put it right back inside and then close it all the way through.
Right here. There's one on this side.
There's an oil changing thing on that side too?
There's an oil dipstick on this side.
Where? Oh, there's another one right here. There's another dipstick. That's cool. Do not oil unit. Add oil before starting. 10W30. That's the oil that they suggest we use.
Synthetic oil is good.
Yeah.